I got my first order of tools from JDTCO. Let's see what's in it. I needed some backup chargers for my cameras when I'm filming on the go. I also figured I'll get some extra as Christmas gifts, so why not? They were at a good price. I got 2 of these Mac ones. I'm gonna use as my backup for my cameras, and I got other styles, smaller ones, portable ones for my family and friends. So these should work out well as emergency chargers for my batteries for my cameras. Plus, you know, I always like the Mac tool brand. I know it's silly, but you know, if I can get stuff at a good price that has a name on it, and it's not any more expensive, I'm definitely down for that. I think these should work pretty well for Christmas gifts. You know, something you can throw in a backpack or the car or purse for my friends. I'm gonna throw a quick charge on all of them just to make sure they work. I'll wrap them up for Christmas. Both of the Mac battery backups are working well for charging so far. And all of my mini rechargers are charging quite well also. I found JDTCO through the rabbit hole of YouTube tool reviews. I started watching Coon Trucking, started watching Power Stroke Jude, started watching CP the Tool Addict, snowballed, found them, found Coil Tools, found JDTCO, the YouTube channel. They have a very entertaining YouTube channel, and they have good prices on tools and a lot of stuff that other people don't stock. I was very impressed with what I've gotten so far, the ordering process and how quickly I got it, so I'm definitely looking forward to ordering more. Thanks guys. Oh yeah, like, share, subscribe, all that stuff, ring the bell. Definitely check out their channels, Coil Tools, Coon Trucking, Power Stroke Jude, CP the Tool Addict, and of course, JDTCO. Thanks. See you next time.
Merry Christmas, everyone. Happy holidays.